How do you see your purchase history on Temu? Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You're gonna land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Once you're in the U page, over here you're gonna see the option of Your Orders. Click on it. Now in this section, you're going to find all of your orders. Likewise, here you're going to find different sections as processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. Click on the option of delivered. Now in this section, you're going to find your purchase history. In the case you are searching for a specific order, what you can do is click on the option of self-service to find order option. Now you can use any of these options given over here to find a specific order. You can use email address, order ID, payment information, or the phone number. Go ahead and select the option that best suits you. Then you will be able to find your order. So this is how you can easily view your purchase history on Temu. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.